Plant family, Selaginellaceae, 743 species in genus Selaginella. Discovering the Selaginellaceae family. As I delve into the fascinating world of plant families, I find myself captivated by the Selaginellaceae family. This ancient group of plants, often overshadowed by flowering plants and ferns, holds a unique place in our ecosystem. Comprising primarily the genus Selaginella, this family is rich in diversity and ecological significance. Join me as I explore the key features, importance, and the intriguing varieties of the Selaginellaceae family. Understanding Selaginellaceae. The Selaginellaceae family, commonly known as the Spicamoss family, includes plants that resemble mosses and ferns but belong to a distinct group known as lycophytes. What fascinates me is how these plants have survived for millions of years, showcasing remarkable adaptations to different environments. Their resilience speaks to the heart of botanical evolution. Features of Selaginellaceae. One of the most striking characteristics of the Selaginellaceae family is its diversity in form and habitat. Plants within this family can be found in a variety of environments, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts. The leaves of Selaginella species often appear scale-like and can vary in color from bright green to reddish-brown. This visual appeal is not just for aesthetics. The leaf structure plays a crucial role in water conservation and photosynthesis. Another notable feature is the reproductive strategy of Selaginella. Unlike most flowering plants, which reproduce through seeds, these plants utilize spores. This spore-based reproduction is an ancient method that dates back to the early days of plant evolution. I find it fascinating how these plants have maintained such an ancient reproductive strategy while adapting to modern environments. Ecological importance. The ecological importance of the Selaginellaceae family cannot be overstated. As I learn more about these plants, I realize they play critical roles in their ecosystems. For instance, they often thrive in shaded, moist areas, contributing to soil stabilization and preventing erosion. Their ability to absorb and retain water helps maintain humidity levels in their surroundings, which is essential for other plants and organisms. Moreover, Selaginella species are significant in the carbon cycle. By capturing carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, they contribute to reducing greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This aspect is particularly relevant today as we face climate change challenges. Understanding the role of Selaginella in carbon sequestration highlights the need to protect these ancient plants and their habitats. When I delve into the Selaginellaceae family, the most prominent genus that stands out is Selaginella. Within this genus, there are over 700 species, each exhibiting unique adaptations and characteristics. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Cultivating Selaginella. If you're interested in cultivating Selaginella in your garden, you're in for a treat. These plants prefer shady, humid environments, making them ideal for terrariums or shaded garden beds. As I've discovered, they thrive in well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Regular misting helps maintain the humidity they crave. Moreover, Selaginella species are relatively low maintenance, making them suitable for beginners. However, it's crucial to keep an eye on water levels, as they don't tolerate drought well. Watching them thrive in my garden has been incredibly rewarding. Conclusion. The Selaginellaceae family, particularly the genus Selaginella, represents an essential aspect of our planet's biodiversity. Their unique adaptations, ecological significance, and aesthetic appeal make them worthy of appreciation and protection. As I continue to learn about these plants, I'm reminded of the intricate connections within our ecosystems and the importance of preserving these ancient lineages. Whether you're a seasoned botanist or a casual plant lover, I encourage you to explore the world of Selaginellaceae and appreciate its contributions to our environment.